How to use an air fryer. 7 easy steps and 5 recipe ideas. Whether you're searing steaks or crisping kale, the air fryer has emerged as a game changer in modern kitchens. Offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying, this device circulates hot air around the food, producing a crispy exterior without the need for excessive oils. Perfect for beginners and culinary enthusiasts alike, air fryers promise convenience and versatility. From whipping up a batch of kale chips in just 10 minutes to exploring a variety of dishes, there's no limit to the culinary delights one can achieve. Yet, as with any kitchen appliance, there's a learning curve. So, if you're pondering how to make the most out of this appliance or simply considering purchasing one, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of air frying, understand its core principles, and unlock its potential. What is an air fryer? The air fryer is a modern kitchen appliance that cooks food using the circulation of hot air. This method requires minimal to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Unlike deep fryers, it doesn't immerse food in oil. Instead, a fan circulates hot air around the food, producing a crispy outer layer similar to fried foods. Air fryers can cook a variety of dishes, from crispy Brussels sprouts to perfect French fries. They are versatile, allowing for frying, roasting, and even baking. Different types of air fryers. 1. Basket style. The most common type, basket-style air fryers, are compact and feature a pull-out drawer with a cooking basket. Great for small families, they circulate hot air around the food for that crispy touch. 2. Dual basket style. Need to cook 2 dishes simultaneously? This one's your hero. With 2 separate baskets, you can fry chicken in one and veggies in another, saving time and ensuring both dishes are ready together. 3. Air fryer toaster ovens. A combo of a toaster oven and an air fryer, these are larger and perfect for families. From toasting bread to air frying fries, their versatility is commendable. Choosing the right air fryer depends on your cooking needs and the space you have. While all air fryers promise healthier cooking, picking the type that best fits your lifestyle will elevate your culinary adventures. How does an air fryer work? Air fryers are innovative kitchen appliances that have revolutionized the art of frying. But how do they work? At their core, air fryers utilize the principle of rapid air circulation. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Above the food, there's a heating mechanism that warms the air inside the air fryer to the desired temperature. A fan circulates this hot air around the food at high speeds. This ensures even cooking and creates a crispy layer on the food surface, simulating the effects of deep frying. The food sits in a perforated basket, which allows the hot air to pass through and circulate freely, ensuring every part of the food receives equal heat. While traditional frying requires food to be submerged in oil, air frying needs little to no oil. If used, the circulating hot air heats the oil, giving the food its fried texture. Excess hot air is released through vents, ensuring the device doesn't overheat. The rapid air technology not only crisps the food, but also seals in moisture, making the inside tender. Step-by-step guide on how to use an air fryer. 1. Preheat. Although some models may not need preheating, I recommend always preheating your air fryer. To do this, simply turn your air fryer on for about 2 to 5 minutes. This prepares your machine for optimal cooking and ensures even results right from the start. I recommend always starting with a preheat, even if your recipe doesn't mention it. 2. Preparing your food. Before tossing your food into the air fryer basket, there's a bit of prep involved. Whether you're working on an air fryer recipe for crispy chicken wings or a delicate chicken breast, coating them lightly in oil helps achieve that golden brown finish. 3. Arranging food in the basket. Air fryers rely on the circulation of hot air to cook. To ensure every piece of food gets equal attention, place items in a single layer without overcrowding. This allows for consistent cooking. And if you're using a specific air fryer recipe, make sure you're using the right basket or attachment, as mentioned. 4. Addition of oil. One of the selling points of air fryers is their ability to cook with less oil. But a tiny amount can go a long way in achieving that crispy finish we all love. So, when preparing your dish, remember to use just a touch of oil. Pour or brush it over your food instead of using non-stick sprays, which might damage the air fryer's interior. 5. Setting time and temperature. Now, fill up the air fryer basket. But here's a pro tip. Don't overcrowd it. Leaving some space ensures that hot air circulates effectively, giving your food that crispy texture. Depending on what you're making, you'll set the time and temperature accordingly. For example, for those chicken wings, you might start with a cook time of around 20 minutes at 375°F. 6. Mid-cooking check. This is a step many overlook, but it's crucial for perfection. About halfway through the cooking process, pull out the basket and give it a gentle shake. This ensures all sides of your food get evenly crisped. For foods like chicken or meat, you might want to flip them over using tongs. 7. Clean up. After enjoying your culinary masterpiece, the cleanup begins. To clean your air fryer, first of all you need to ensure the air fryer has cooled down. Then, take out the basket and give it a gentle wash with a non-abrasive sponge. Regular cleaning not only extends the life of your machine, but ensures every meal is as delicious as the last. Benefits of using an air fryer. 1. Healthier cooking. One of the primary advantages of using an air fryer is the significantly reduced need for oil. Traditional frying submerges food entirely in oil, but when you cook in an air fryer, you only require a fraction of it. This reduction means fewer calories and less unhealthy fat in your meals, making dishes like air fryer chicken a healthier alternative to their deep-fried counterparts. 2. Efficiency and speed. Forget the long preheating times that come with conventional ovens. When you preheat the air fryer, it takes mere minutes. The rapid air technology circulates hot air around the food, ensuring it cooks quickly and evenly. This efficiency means you can enjoy your favorite meals without a lengthy wait. 3. Versatility. If you think an air fryer is only for frying, think again. You can grill, bake, and roast. From crispy fries to delectable pastries and even roasted vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Just use your air fryer settings to adjust time and temperature and you're good to go. 4. Easy cleanup. Anyone who's done traditional frying knows the mess it can create. Oil splatters everywhere and greasy pans to scrub. With air fryers, the cleanup is a breeze. Most parts are removable and dishwasher safe. Plus, with less oil involved, there's less mess to begin with. To flip or not to flip? When using an air fryer, the question often arises, should I flip my food? The answer is yes, especially for items that are thicker or have multiple sides, like chicken wings or burgers. Flipping ensures even cooking and that coveted crispy finish on all sides. It also prevents the food from sitting in any accumulated moisture at the bottom of the basket, which can make the underside soggy. However, for thinner items or those that cook quickly, flipping might not be necessary. Always monitor your food, and when in doubt, a quick flip won't hurt. Creative dishes to try with your air fryer. 1. Air fryer avocado fries. Craving something crunchy and creamy? Try air fryer avocado fries. Slice avocados into wedges, coat them in breadcrumbs, and air fry until they're golden. The outer layer becomes crisp, while the inside remains lusciously creamy. Serve with a tangy dipping sauce or a splash of lime juice. It's a unique twist on traditional fries and a healthier option too. 2. Air-fried ratatouille. Take a trip to the French countryside with an air-fried ratatouille. Layer slices of zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, and tomatoes in the air fryer basket. Season with herbs like rosemary and thyme, and let the magic happen. In the air fryer, the vegetables become tender, maintaining their individual flavors and creating a delightful, healthy dish. 3. Sweet and spicy air fryer chickpeas. For a crunchy snack that packs a punch, try sweet and spicy chickpeas. Toss canned chickpeas with honey, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Once they're air fried, they transform into crispy, protein-packed morsels. Perfect for a quick snack or as a crunchy salad topping. 4. Air fryer stuffed peppers. Reinvent the classic stuffed pepper dish using your air fryer. Fill bell peppers with a mix of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, and a sprinkle of cheese. The air fryer perfectly roasts the peppers while melting the cheese inside, creating a hearty and delicious meal. It's a wholesome dish that's sure to impress. 5. Dessert empanadas with a twist. Who said air fryers are only for savory dishes? Prepare small circles of pie dough, Fill them with your choice of fruit jam or chocolate, fold, and seal. Air fry until they puff up and turn golden brown. Dust with powdered sugar for a sweet finish. These dessert empanadas are a delightful way to end a meal or enjoy with your afternoon tea. Maintenance and cleaning tips. 1. Regular basket cleaning. To ensure your air fryer remains in top condition, make cleaning the air fryer basket a routine after every use. Over time, food residue can build up and affect the appliance's performance. Gently scrub the basket with a non-abrasive sponge and some mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry, or use a soft cloth. 2. Exterior wipe down. It's not just the inside that needs attention. The exterior can become greasy and collect dust. Use a damp cloth with a touch of dish soap to wipe down the outside. Ensure it's unplugged and completely dry before storing or using it again. 3. Check the heating element. Over time, the heating element can accumulate debris from cooking. This can affect cooking efficiency and even become a fire risk. Once in a while, after ensuring the device is unplugged and cool, inspect the heating element. If you notice any buildup, gently brush it off using a soft brush. 4. Deep cleaning session. Every few months, give your air fryer a deep cleaning. Remove any detachable parts and soak them in warm, soapy water. For non-removable parts, use a soft, damp cloth. Ensure all components are thoroughly dried before reassembling. Final thoughts. Mastering the use of an air fryer can be a game changer in the kitchen. It's essential to learn how to use this innovative appliance to fully reap its benefits. By creating a rapid air circulation environment, an air fryer ensures that food is cooked evenly, producing a crispy exterior similar to traditional frying methods, but with significantly less oil. The magic of an air fryer lies in its ability to allow hot air to circulate around the food, guaranteeing a delicious and healthier result every time. As more people embrace healthier eating habits, understanding and utilizing this tool becomes an invaluable skill for modern-day cooking.